Band 6.5. IELTS Writing Task 2. Sample answer. Children spend hours on their smartphones essay. This essay is written by a candidate with examiner's comment. Writing Task 2. You should spend about 40 minutes on this task. Write about the following topic. Some children spend hours every day on their smartphones. Why is this the case? Do you think this is a positive or negative development? Give reasons for your answer and include any relevant examples from your own knowledge or experience. Write at least 250 words. Writing Task 2. This is an answer written by a candidate who achieved a band 6.5 score. Mobile phones nowadays contain essential features as well as entertainment. There has been a large growth in the usage of smartphones among youngsters. There are several reasons behind this situation, and I find this development more beneficial than negative. Both the reasons and my view are elaborated further. The first reason for the overuse of smart devices by youngsters is the social benefit they provide. The smartphone connected to the internet opens up many possibilities, from creating new friends to communicating with them over social media. For instance, a child in my neighborhood chats for hours with his school friends over Facebook, a social media site, and also spends time on an online video sharing phone application. Moreover, mobile gaming, especially multiplayer games, is another major reason for the situation. Children play different kinds of games on mobile devices for entertainment purposes, and they involve themselves in games in such a manner that they forget about the timing and other work to do. However, I believe that smartphones have also increased students' knowledge. It has developed some important social skills, such as communication skills, teamwork, and many more, by allowing them to work and play in groups without the restriction of distance. In addition, children can learn through the internet by watching online videos and reading articles, which ultimately helps them in their studies as well as their language skills. For example, whenever my niece needs to know something, he searches for it on the internet and learns from it. Moreover, multiplayer online gaming improves their multitasking ability and also gives them a competitive environment. Overall, I agree that overusing smartphones on a regular basis is harmful for them, but if given proper guidance, mobile phones can help them learn some lifelong skills. Here is the examiner's comment. This response addresses both parts of the question. A range of ideas are expressed and the candidate gives their position in the opening paragraph and then provides evidence and relevant examples. Ideas are logically organized, and there is a clear progression throughout the 4 paragraphs. A range of cohesive devices are used. The first reason is, for instance. Moreover, with referencing used appropriately, they, themselves, their studies, it. The range of vocabulary is good, with examples of higher-level items, social skills, restriction of distance, ultimately, and there are few errors. Overusage, overuse, niece, he, niece, she, watchin', watching, require to know, need to know. Similarly, the range of grammatical structures is reasonable, but the level of error means the band score cannot be higher than 6.5.